Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video now you can see how to boot the Sony Eseries 14p laptop. So this is a Eseries 14p laptop. So I'm going to boot this one. Sony laptop Eseries 14p. So in this video I'm going to show you. So first of all you have to plug in the CD-DVD ROM, or you can directly plug in the USB drive also. But in this time I am using external CD-DVD drive. So after that you have to press now you can see here is a one button, that is assist button, assist menu. Okay, so here is assist menu, and you have to press the power button. Okay, so I'm pressing assist menu and I'm pressing okay, so it will give you the boot option, so just you have to wait. Okay, use USB device or optical disc. Start from network. You can start from network also. For that one you have to press F12, and the second one is the start BIOS setup, that is for the F2, and I'm pressing F2. Okay, so then after that you will get these options. Okay, so just you have to come in the boot device, and first of all you have to select the boot mode. I'm choosing the legacy mode. Then after that you have to choose the external device boot, that is enabled, and you have to set the boot priority. First of all I am selecting the first boot priority, and that is for the external device. Okay, then after that you have to come in the second boot priority. For that one I am choosing the internal hard disk drive. Then after that I am coming in the advanced. So now you can see there are two options available, that is discrete graphics adapter, and second one is Intel virtualization technology, but it's okay for me. Okay, then after that I'm coming in the exit, and I'm clicking in the exit setup. Okay, or you can directly press F4 for the 7 exit. So I'm clicking in the exit setup, and I'm saving the configuration and reset, and I am pressing yes. Okay, then after that it is reloading. Okay, then again it will take a little bit time, just wait for a moment. Okay, so now I have to press the enter button. Okay, so now we can say it is moving, it is going in the boot option. Just wait for a moment. Okay, so now you can see it is loading the boot option. You can see you will get this type of the option. Okay, then after that you can change the language, and you can change the time and format, but it's okay for me, and I am clicking in the next button. Okay, now you have to click in the install now. Okay, so it is taking a little bit time, and the setup is starting. Okay, so after that you have to accept all the license terms, and you have to click in the next. Then after that you have to click in the custom install Windows only advanced. Then you have to so now you can see there are few drives available. Okay, so the first drive is have 260 MB. Okay, so I'm just coming down. Okay, and okay, just wait for a moment. This is 332.1 GB available. So this is the primary. So I am going to format this one. I'm clicking in the OK, and it is formatting the drive 0 partition 5. Okay, so now we can see here it, and now it have 332.1 GB available. Okay, then after that I'm clicking in the next. So it is telling that Windows cannot be installed in the drive 0 partition 5. It is telling me like that. So I'm going to delete all the partition. So I'm just going to delete. Okay, I'm going to delete. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one also. So you have to delete all the partition. Okay, Okay, so now you can see here I have I deleted all the partition, and there is only one drive available, that is drive 0 unlocated space, that is for the 698.6 GB. So I have to create a new partition first of all. Okay, so I'm going to change this one. Okay, so just wait for a moment, I'm going to calculate first of all. So I'm just going to type 324. Okay, 8704 8704 3287. Okay, 328704 MB. Then after that I'm going to click in the apply and clicking in the OK. Okay, so it is creating a new partition. Then after that I'm going to in the drive 0 unlocated space, and I'm clicking here, and I'm creating another new space here and clicking in the apply. Okay, so now you can see here I created two drive here. So first of all I'm going to click here, and I'm going to format this one, and it is formatting. And I'm creating I'm clicking in the drive 0 partition 3 also, and I'm clicking in the format and clicking in the OK. Okay, so it is also formatting for the partition 3, and I'm clicking in the partition 2. Then after that I'm clicking in the next. So now it is starting to install. It is started to boot this Sony BIOS computer. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, and now you can see here I'm going to boot the eSeries 14P laptop. So in this way you can easily boot your laptop. Okay, so with the help of CD DVD, or you can use the bootable pen drive also as per your requirement. So now you can see here the file, it is telling that getting files ready for installation 1%. Okay, so in this way you can easily recover your Windows operating system in your computer. Thank you so much.